folks, Chris here, and if you've seen my videos before, you probably noticed that I price everything at number two. And that's mainly because about 75–80% of all the copper I get out of TV yokes and just bad copper tubing with solder all over it. Um, I just don't have enough number one to make a difference, so I usually just throw it all in a bucket and just get number two pricing. Mainly because all my copper usually looks like this. Yeah, you see some Bear Brite in there, but most of it's just crap. So after finding out of an instant water heater, this huge copper coil, really heavy coil, I wanted to find a way to clean it up a little bit and separate some of my Bear Brite just to experiment and see if it's all worth my time cleaning it up. So I'm doing a little, I don't know, a few part series on testing different methods of cleaning copper so I can make it all shiny and bright looking like this and get top dollar. So I'm going to experiment with a couple methods. First method we're going to try out is the good old Coca-Cola or soda. I'm going to try this a little small batch before I go to the Dollar Tree and spend about $3 or $4 on some 2 liters and fill up an entire bucket. So we're going to test this method first. Well, I'm not sure I'm going to the Dollar Tree after all and purchasing 2 liters. It's just not going to be worth the investment because it didn't clean it enough. I'm going to move on to my next test. I was going to do ketchup next, but I'm going to go ahead and go right to the source with vinegar and salt, and we're going to find out if that works. So stay tuned, and we'll get to the next part. Folks, I only make these videos so I can share honest, accurate information. It seems to be lacking throughout the internet world. People just want views, and so they'll throw any crap they can out there. For me, hey, subscribe if you want or not. I really don't care. I hope you take something out of this. And again, just trying to share good information. So until next time.